Hey, guess who's vlogging? It's me. So, hi! I'm gonna try and vlog now. Sorry for the mess in the back of my car. That's another thing on my to-do list today. So, I've decided that I kind of want to, start vlogging my weekends a little bit. Maybe, do a weekly vlog. I don't know how this is gonna format. I don't know. It is Friday at 11:20. I just finished filming 2 makeup related videos in my office. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you all on my weekends with me because my weekends, since I work in a church, I work Sunday through Thursday, so my weekends are Friday, Saturday. And I think that'll be a fun way to do things because I love watching other people's vlogs. It makes me feel like I'm hanging out with friends, you know? So why not share part of my life? I just finished filming 2 videos, as I said. So now I am heading down to my local yarn shop because the owner, my friend Melissa, had put out a little call to action for anyone. They're collecting hats and scarves and gloves and stuff that people had made to give to people experiencing homelessness in the Baltimore community. And there was a period of time in 2020, you know, when lockdown first happened, that I was just, you know, all I was doing was knitting hats, and I haven't really used any of them. So, and they've just kind of been moving with me from place to place since then. You know, I've given some of them away to friends and family. I've, you know, lost a couple, worn a couple. I'm just trying to, there. Maybe that'll be slightly, nope. There. Whatever. But I've gotten rid of some of them, but I kind of want to get rid of the last little push of them because I didn't want to give them to Goodwill or anything like that, because you know, not everything that gets donated to Goodwill actually goes to people who need it. You know, a lot of it just gets trashed. So I think that this is a good opportunity for me to get rid of some of that for a good cause. So yeah, I'm gonna get driving over there. I might hang out and knit there too. I don't have a lot going on until I have to pick up Case from work at 3. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hi friends, so it's the next day. I kind of didn't film any talking after I talked to y'all last, but I did go to the yarn shop. As y'all saw, we donated some hats, which was super great. I had lunch with my friend Melissa, and that was really, really wonderful. I had some really good vegan food, so that was great. And then we came home. I picked up Case from work, and basically the rest of the night was I folded laundry and we ate and we played Dead by Daylight online with some of our friends, which is probably what we're going to do again tonight. But it's the next day, and now we're going to go see a movie with some friends. Obviously y'all can tell that's the next day by the makeup and outfit change. But we're gonna go see 80 for Brady with some of my friends from the church that I work at. I didn't hear about this movie until they had invited us, but it looks cute. It's not something I would have gone to the theaters for otherwise, because I kind of only go to the movie theater now for horror movies, and like sometimes Marvel. Yes, and sometimes Marvel when we can. We still haven't seen Wakanda Forever, but that's like officially out now. But we're gonna go see it. It looks cute, and it has like, you know, Sally Field and Rita Moreno and all of them in it, and that just looks like a fun time. It looks really cute. So, we're off to the movies. Yay! Hi friends, so we just finished playing Dead by Daylight, and it's like 9:30 and I have to work on Sunday mornings. Hashtag church life. I don't know, I sound very goofy. But the movie was super, super cute. Like, it actually made me care about football for 2.5 hours, which, like, has literally never happened to me before in my life. And the previews looked really good, especially for the new animated Spider-Man movie, Across the Spider-Verse, I think it is. I'm very, very excited to see that when it comes out. So, lots of good stuff. We also ate lunch at Nando's, which I had never been to, but it was really nice. We saw some friends who we knew and met some new friends, and it was all just a really good time. And the food was super, super good, and we played some Dead by Daylight with some of our other friends, and overall it was just a pretty good day. So I'm gonna sign off so I can like take a nice little bath and relax and go to bed, and I'll see y'all in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.